do, y'all?
What it do, y'all? It's your man Lil Black, you know what I'm saying? Real pep shit, you know what I'm saying? We up here in the gay lord, chilling.
Look at that. It look like we outside, but we inside. We inside. On top of that,
bitches going diamond. Man, fuck going platinum, niggas going diamond. Fuck going platinum, niggas going diamond.
Fuck going platinum, bitches going diamond. Fuck going platinum, bitches going diamond. Fuck going platinum, bitches going diamond. We bitches going diamond, these bitches going diamond. Yeah, I'm cute and I'm sexy, loyalty. I know you heard of me. Got them killer lips
for the night, you know what I'm talking about? So we need to get that, you know what I'm saying?
As you can see, we over here working out. The gay low getting brawly on them right quick.
Ever. Look at this nigga right here. Long arms, don't get twisted. Good, put a nigga flat. You know what I'm saying? Be all that.
I can't stand a bitch nowhere. I ain't talk to my bitch, so I slaughter my bitch. Nigga, that was the night I told my bitch. I showed my bitch, I KO'd my bitch. Nigga, that was the night. Next bitch was an 11 with a hairdo. When she came over, first thing I told her I got to have you. So we hooked up, she ain't pay like she supposed to. Would you be bucking that much? Shit, it's bread.
Where they at?
Bitches like me, bitches like me. Do you like me? These bitches like me. These bitches like me. These bitches like me. Yeah, they call me Lil Black, I'm pimpin' in this motherfucker. I got a whole lot of bitches and they wanna sucker. So I'ma rap and rap with my dick. I'ma put it on her tongue while she breaks it with some spit. You can get with me, I'm a top notch G. Got a whole lot of bitches.
This is good money right here. Don't let it. Look, you look right on it. Look.
You ain't never met no nigga that put that weed in your hand. That nigga up your hill around the corner that be your weed man. He stayed with the.
What it do? 17 bangers. We finna check out this 6 years Mo Hotel.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Cause it's got more holes than anybody else. Hold up, we gonna show you the ground. You know what I'm saying? This one we was on top with top-notch niggas. See all them little bitches down there? Them our little bitch, whatever you wanna call them. Cause they down there, we the fuck up here. Fuck everybody. Look at you, so
Posted in the cut with some top-notch ass, and I'm two-stepping hard. Then my niggas going hard. Then my dick on hard. Girls freaking, oh my god, get the cash first.
Alright, I'm tired of being a camera lady, actually.
That nigga in boiling water.
Ooh, I look like early morning.
I look like early morning, but so
Back in my Mac concealer.
we chilling in the pool, smoking on some good shit. We about to get in that jacuzzi and
A little bit. Yeah, I said big.
we try to freestyle out. We try to freestyle
I'm
out.
about to freestyle that. What I'm gonna say?
I don't even know. We got Nicola in the house. She cold.
Abby on the front of the Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Make them buy me poochie.
Make them buy him everything.
Shut the
I don't want nothing. I want everything.
Everything? Everything. Everything.
Yes. Yes. You have to get your money right so you can live like this. For real.
We in a jacuzzi in the snow. Look,
We in the snow. Look at the pool though. Look at the pool. It's snowing outside and we in the pool. We about to go to the snow. We about to go to the snow.
I don't know. I'm not sure what
Yeah. How you get to the side with the snow, show?
Right
here, right?
Can you see the snow?
Hold on, let me show them. Do y'all see this shit? Do y'all see this?
And see where we at.
Look where we at.
Look at the snow.
Look at the snap.
And look where we at. I mean, like, I'm just saying.
I'm gonna be like females. Females, stop messing with these broke niggas that ain't doing shit.
You in the house.
Like
you in the house.
You in the house on Facebook.
Tweeting it up. You about to see this video though. You gonna be mad. Right.
Anything.
Anything.
They not doing that. They got jobs. You can't even career. Even if somebody
nigga, you need to stop.
You need to
stop. Stop the game.
Yes, drop that little base that y'all think is getting money. Man, come on.
If they say they getting money,
we ain't
saying nothing.
We
everybody talk about it. Everybody worry about it. They say they getting money. We ain't saying nothing. Nigga, I had a fan buy me shots.
I like
what is it? Look at her there. So I do too. I don't care. We look right because we've been traveling in the hotel. Oh, I thought somebody said excuse me. I'm gonna say what? Look, I still got lipstick on. Last night, me too. Alright, we gotta go back over there in the cut.
Alright, let's make a new one. We'll see y'all later. We was like, look at the snow. And look we are in the motherfucking tent. While it's snowing outside.
Snowing
a blizzard. We in the hot tub all day. My bitches and my back. And we in the motherfucking tent. There's chilling like shit. Having it up. You know how we do. 17 seconds. I'll be back.
The 17 banger way. You know what I'm saying? Shit is live. You know what I'm saying? We doing good. In the hotel, caught a lot in the background, walking around. Right now, you know what I'm saying, all our little friends out, you know what I'm saying, gathering up, you know what I'm saying, with the bacon, as we would say, so they could, you know what I'm saying, so we could feast.
Hey,
they got feed daddy, you know what I'm talking about?
This a day before Super Bowl weekend.
Yeah, Super Bowl tomorrow. Tonight, I think we're going to fuck with the bar probably.
Yeah.
I think we're going to do that.
So
fuck with one of these bars.
We up in the
some other Jones to compile these gems. These gems. Young Perk.
Ching Chowing. It's your boy Lil Black, Carlotta, getting the bread, you know what I'm saying? Getting the rooms, got the pimping way deep down, 6 feet deep.
Like our Gaylord shit, man. We in the
Gaylord shit.
We don't stay at Red Roofs. We don't stay at Cadillacs. We don't stay at motels. Gaylord is where we at. Fuck with us, nigga.
It's in here.
Y'all know you gave it to me, it won't in there though. Are you just had it in your
Go to another hotel. Yeah.
In specially marked boxes of cereal while supplies last. Wake up to a better breakfast on Kellogg. The best to you each morning.
Kellogg's hardworking new best friend. Working with you at Tommy. Great job.
We got motherfucking Buka.